Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So very often time we come back home and we are tired, not in the mood of cooking something too serious. So I prepare my week ahead of time, made some huntun. They look very, very, very ugly. It's a laugh stock. Laugh. Everyone laughs at me. Laugh stock for the whole family. Oh, I can finish it. Some water, cold or hot, number cover it up. Every 2 or 3 minutes you take a look. I will see you in 3 minutes and I will tell you how many minutes it takes. Okay? See you later, alligator. Okay. 2 minutes later, this is it. Now we can keep on another minute. So the water, put it in to create some steam, to create water, evaporate, becomes steam. Steam is very hot, so it on the bottom it's grill it, and on the top is steam, and then it will be cooked. And this is what we say pot sticker. It's in the pot and stick to the pot, to the bottom. In Chinese, it's called guo tie. Guo is pot. Tie is stick to, attached to. So this one is not boiled in the water, but this one is steamed and stick to the bottom. Give it another minute. Okay, 1 minute later. Oh, not yet. Let's keep it on. Oh, it sticks to the bottom. I think I didn't put enough, I don't know. Anyway, when it goes to stomach, it's all look a little bit Now we turn the fire slower. And that's it. Pot sticker. Not so pretty, but You can decide how much you want it to be grilled. Bon appetito!